Hey all my crafty friends, who's ready to start some Christmas crafting? I know I am. I will be trying my best to put out at least 4 videos per week until Christmas, and I think you will love what I have in mind. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my Christmas videos, and if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! In today's video, I will be making these 2 adorable scrapbook Christmas trees. I used wood strips from Hobby Lobby and cut them in half. But you can always use paint sticks for this project. After cutting the strips down, I used a sanding block and sanded all the rough edges. Next, I used some buffalo check and Christmas themed scrapbook paper that I got from Tuesday Morning. I cut the paper down to fit each of the strips and then applied Mod Podge to attach the paper to the wood. I smoothed everything out, added extra Mod Podge to any places that didn't stick, and set each piece to the side to dry. After drying, I used a sanding block and sanded the paper. This gave the paper an aged look, which is what I was going for. On the first tree, I added antiquing wax for more of an aged appearance. I applied the wax and rubbed it off with a paper towel. I then found the center of each piece and made a mark so the trees would be even when I attached them. I laid the pieces out, lining up the marks I had made, and attached them using craft sticks and hot glue. I then applied a layer of Mod Podge to give each of the trees more of a finished look. I hope this part makes sense. It's hard to explain but simple to watch. I used 3 tumbling tower blocks to create the stand. The first 2 I placed going up and down on the tree. I left enough room below them for the 3rd block, which I placed going side to side. This is a simple project and would be a great craft idea for kids as long as an adult does the cutting. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I try to upload at least 4 DIY videos per week, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. To be notified when I upload a video, hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.